Yeah, man, Wagwan, welcome forward to the TV, man. I'm say, yo, Vybz Kartel do a lot of interview for him come out, but I never see him do one like this and give out so much details about when in the behind the bars, and my back you know him get for Vice song them all them thing that yo if you guys are subscriber and have to stay tuned to it, you see it. And you don't know if you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see me? You can also hit me up over Facebook and by Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. I don't know where ever go.
Oh man, it's an amazing feeling. Right, I'm still processing it right now. That's how deep it is. Yeah, didn't give up hope. Now, I mean, as a matter of fact, I actually sent for my girlfriend 2 years ago. So she has been waiting for me in Jamaica for 2 years now. I mean, that's how serious it is. I bought a couple of vehicles, like a couple SUVs and stuff, a few months before my release because I knew I never gave up hope. And I knew that once my case kind of left Jamaica and went to the UK, I'd have a more than fighting chance. We're a Commonwealth nation. The King of England is still in charge of Jamaica. 12 years and 10 months, to be exact. Yeah, she's here. Babe, where you going? Come back. Yeah, she's my fiance. I proposed to her while I was in prison. Like I said, I was confident that I was getting out. Yeah, I never had any doubt like I wasn't coming out. So in 2015, she actually stalked one of my baby mother's Instagram because she couldn't find me. So she had to watch who my baby moms was following. So she found me through my baby mom's Instagram. Sorry, Amanda. Yeah.
What a life.
And it wasn't like a 5-star hotel, trust me. But I mean,
it wasn't like no.
But I'm Vybz Kartel, so I got what I wanted. But you know, I mean, it's still prison.
Yeah.
I'm out of prison right now, so it's all good, man. It's all good. Remember, I'm out right now, so I'm out. That was true because I did record a lot of songs. So, like in the first year, yeah, we had songs unreleased. But then, you know what I mean, the songs ran out and we had to do what we had to do. So that's when I started recording like behind bars, which was, I mean, it wasn't really that hard because, you know, technology made it easier. You know, I used to record on the iPhone 6. Yeah, because it has an amazing, not the 6, the 5 Plus. Or the 5, what's it? The 5, baby? Or the 5S, something like that. Yeah, but it has an amazing sound quality. Yeah, so Fever, all those songs were recorded on that little iPhone. Mike, I had to DJ directly into the iPhone. I used my on the bunk. They gave you a mattress, right? Oh my God. So I used the mattress to imitate the padding in the studio. So I had the phone like 3 feet away from my face and I wrapped the mattress around my head and recorded. Yo. It was crazy, man. On my knees too.
You had the beat in the headphones?
Yes, I had the beat in a separate, exactly. So the beat was in the headphones in a separate phone and the iPhone or on my iPad and then I record directly into the iPhone. So, you know, it went into the iPhone as a cappella. And then we had to send it to the studio and the engineer. Yeah. And big up Dunwell and big up Red Boom. Yeah, man. Trust me. We record like at night, but sometimes it had to be like at 12 o'clock when the most of the officers would be like on lunch break.
Holy shit.
Yeah, so for like, and I would still have to be watching. So I'd be like, Fever, and then I had to get up and look. You know what I mean? So it was crazy. It was line by line. Like, it was crazy. You know what I mean? But it had to be recorded. Then I would make a demo. So I would play the rhythm loud and then DJ. So like a demo so they knew what to follow. Yeah. Say anything. But when I started talking about current stuff, I mean, a lot of people were like, nah, this He's either a fucking he's either Nostradamus that he could predict the future.
Yeah.
Vybz or he's actually recording. So it was crazy. But we never said anything because like you said, we couldn't snitch on ourselves. We was in prison at the time. A lot of searches. I mean, I couldn't have any recording devices. They would seize them. So if they saw me with an iPad, they would seize it. You know what I mean? So all my recording devices were seized. And Bob Marley, bro. And trust me, a lot of bookings. Caribbean, South America. It's going to be like, I'll probably be on the stage and then you see me running from immigration and shit. But it's like me because he's my father in the music. So
exactly.
Yeah. So
but I can perform in the U.S.
Definitely, because I've never. I mean, my record is clean, both in Jamaica and in America. I've never been convicted anywhere.
Wait,
not a convict. My conviction is just gone, and I'm back to being a regular citizen. Apart from being a superstar, but like legally, I did one better. I'm supposed to get a lot of money back. So that I guess
you are gonna get
that's
money.
financial. Sorry, which is good. The lyrics. It's the my personality, because remember, being like a superstar is not just about, oh, I like his lyrics. We got to I got to like this dude as a person, his personalities. Oh, he's crazy, or he speaks so fluently, or so it's a lot of stuff. And plus, you know, this is Jamaica. We love fighters, and we love people who fight, even when the system
underdogs.
Yeah, we like the hero. I mean, in terms of record sales, Fever is bigger than Rampin' Shop because remember, Rampin' Shop was taken off the market by Neo's people because remember it's
the Neo shit,
exactly, the Miss Independent.
Yeah.
So, but I would say Fever, like internationally, Fever, Clark's, Summertime, Rampin' Shop.
Clark's is pretty big.
Yeah, a couple of songs. But remember, like in the Caribbean and in the diaspora globally, all the songs are hits. But like in the mainstream markets of the world, I'd say like Fever, Clark's, Rampin' Shop, and Summer. I'm working on it right now. Well, I started working on it about a year before I came out, and I'm still working on them now. I'm still registering songs, re-releasing songs. You know what I mean? So it's a mess because, you know, the copyrights, and I'm not the only person who created the music. So, you know, I have the guys who made the beat, you know what I mean, the producers, etc. So who makes the beat don't even know each other. That's online, actually. Yeah, I did. Big up to Drake, and you know what I mean, Busta Rhymes, Nicki Minaj, Cardi B. Yeah, a lot of rappers actually, you know what I mean, gave me a shout out when I came out. NLE.
Oh, okay, right?
Yeah. Cardi B is a big fan, and you know what I mean, I'm a big fan of her as well. You know what I mean? So coming for me because remember, because I had the Graves' disease, so my looks are changing a bit. Yeah, so people are saying I've been like 50% better already. I literally just came from the doctor today, me and my baby. So you know what I mean, I'm keeping abreast of everything. I have my trainer now, my personal trainer. He flies with me everywhere I go. So I'm working on it because remember, December 31st is going to be epic. So that's what I'm saying. So I'm working on it like relentlessly because one thing with me, I'm determined, you know. So I don't even want to say. I say a lot of stuff. Trust me. But like I always tell people, the only thing you can expect from Vybz Kartel is the unexpected. So that's one of my claim to fame, you know what I mean? That's one of my niche. So yeah, you're right. You're definitely right. Everybody loves me, man, even the haters. Like Fetty Wap said, everybody hating, we just call them fans though. So everybody loves me. Most people are glad to see me on the streets, you know what I mean? It's an amazing feeling. Love is real. I feel the love infinitely more. So trust me, since I've came out, the love is real, man. Lots of letters, man. When I say lots of letters, I'm telling you, like, bro, Santa Claus, you know, that big, yeah, man, letters, man. So big up to the people who wrote me. Enough love and respect. And I mean, your prayers have been answered. I'm free now. Right? I mean, definitely. I mean, my favorite all-time rapper is dead, which is Tupac. My favorite current rapper is Lil Wayne. You know what I mean? I like the Young Guns too. Yeah,
Crazy.
yeah, yeah.
Wait, hold on.